Okay, guys, so today is going to be a training on who should we pick out of the list that we just created that we're going to download into Close, okay? Or at least who's a really, really bad lead that we should take out, okay? So in this case, we created the list on consumer goods, okay? So the first company here we see is Mattel. Hey, not bad, pretty good company. Oh yeah, sorry. First organizes as by alphabetical order. So we have some order here. Okay, so anyway, I started with Mattel. Okay, so we just click here, boom, and it goes to about Mattel. Okay, that right away because it's an about. It tells me that they are this is a corporate site, so not much to be done. Typically, big companies like Mattel, they don't like to send traffic to their corporate site. They're not interested. Um, Maybe if they have an online shop, like you see here, Mattel shop, they will be interested in sending traffic there. But as we know, Mattel mainly sells in stores. Very rarely they sell through their own site. They prefer that people that buys from them they sell at their brick and mortar stores. Okay, so and in fact I can confirm by going here. Okay, and you will go here in what is this, SEMrush. Okay, and we go here about. We analyze the advertising traffic. You see almost nothing, and we do. Let's do a domain overview of about Mattel. As you can see, very poor. Okay, so uh, about Mattel is not a good website to take a look at. All right. Um, did I just deleted the SEMrush? No, here it is. Okay, so here we are. Let me close this one up. Okay, so here, so it's shop Mattel. Let's see. Sorry, no, shop Mattel shop. There you go. If you go shop Mattel, let's verify this one. hmm on advertising, they're not doing anything. And let's see there. You see, good authority score 78, super huge traffic 2 million, 30 on the paid search. That seems low. Okay. This is the organic keyword setup. So their traffic has been increasing and then going down a little bit. And here you can see the traffic, which surprisingly it's very low on branded site. Typically here you see sites where branded traffic to their site is almost 100%. This means that people just arriving at their website via their name. Okay, as marketers, what we want to convince the client is that we want to here right here uh, we want to increase the number of non-branded keywords that to go into the sites. For instance, Mattel, we go toys for kids. Okay, those type of general terms. Those are the ones that we want to increase. If a lot of people are searching for Mattel, then that's a brand name. But here you have to use a little bit of your business sense. Of course, not too many people will shop Mattel. People will go Uno, people will go Barbie, people will go Hot Wheels. That's a part of their brands that that they have. Okay, so maybe you see all the brands here. Fisher Price. Look at that. So we go to Fisher Shop, Mattel. This is still under Mattel's website. So when you try to shop here, you see where to buy. Mm, Here are the places where to buy. I guess that when you buy from here, then they get a little commission, but that's not really their objective. Okay, but let's do the exercise on Fisher Price as a brand. They don't have their own brand. They don't have the Fisher Price Toy Store. Okay. Fisher Price Toy Store. Let's see. Was there traffic? First thing we do is check the traffic. Okay. See, it's even worth it. See, it's poor. I don't think that's a real Fisher Price store. Okay, seems that they don't have a separate website for each of their brands. Okay, you see, we can do Hot Wheels, or Mattel Shop, Amazon, Stevens is a local store here. See, no, this is not a good lead. Okay, we can take that out, take them out. Mattel. We can comfortably take them out. Selected, move, delete selected. Okay, so now we're gonna start alphabetically. Okay, Ariat International, boom. Let me close this tabs, otherwise we're gonna have hundreds of tabs. I know Ariat. This is a boot store. Okay, let's see that. We're consumer goods. Okay. Okay, let's check on the advertising research. Ariat. Oh, very good. Right off the back, very good. And you can see you filter by costs. Okay. Aha. Look at that. The majority of the branded terms are of the campaigns are branded. So out of the 400,000, look, I just go here, Ariat. I don't even go the full name just in case, just Ari like that. See? Almost all their budget goes to. So this is a great lead. Okay. Now we're gonna go in. Who do we have there? Okay, associate marketing manager, associate partnership manager. That's good. Associate marketing manager. Okay, nobody else. Okay, that's weird. Let me see who we can find on LinkedIn. So we go here on LinkedIn and we go Ariat International, California. That's good. Wow, very good size of employees. Yes. Okay, e-commerce and digital operations. Okay. So for the moment, let's see, you go paid, see who you have, growth and brand summary. Okay, so this guy is good to check out. Read a little bit. Past, you see. I don't like when I see past. Okay. But since he has digital marketing right in there, is ridiculous. Digital marketing, I'll check him out also. You see, I press Control on my keyword and click, and then I open a new window there. Manager paid search at Area International. This guy is good. Check him out. Okay. Associate manager Brian. Do we have Brian? Do we have Brian? Oh, here it is. Who do you have? Stephanie, Kitty, and Kiers. Okay, Brian. We don't have Brian, so we take him out. Both over 6 years of paid marketing experience. Oh yeah, sorry. Just in case, one filter. We always put in case that there's an international company, United States. Okay, so it didn't change much. Content director, as you know, no. Online marketing expert and data scientist, maybe. Take him out. Senior director, okay, nobody else. I always like to include the chief marketing just because he's a big boss. Chief e-commerce, that's also good. people that high up, high ranking will understand the value of what we're providing. Corporate portal and global e-commerce operations, maybe. Okay, so we have quite a few people that are not there. Okay, so here for the moment, what I'd like you to do is just copy the URL and paste it on the worksheet. Let's see, uh, where's our Gmail? It'll stop for a minute. So okay, so here on the Google Drive, okay, inside BDR, inside training, called prospecting. Do not, I put here, do not call these. Here, put the person that we don't want to call. For instance, I'll give you an example that I have here. Oh, come on. Here in Mattel, for instance, uh, see this? Franchise marketing and partnerships. Um, it sounds okay with partnerships, maybe, but here my keyword is franchise. Nothing that says franchise. It's our target. No franchise. So no franchise. Okay. Okay. In this case, what I'd like you to do before we get a good tool that can take us all our contacts is this way. You copy, if you read it, okay. Senior Director Corporate Portal and E-commerce Operations. Okay, so global e-commerce operations. She could understand what's our the value proposition. Merchandises and marketing. Okay, and manager direct to consumer Amazon Marketplace. Okay, so this one is good. Okay, so she managed the direct to consumer channel. So she's very knowledgeable on this thing. So paste it there. Okay. Then there's a chief e-commerce officer, of course. Okay, close him. Chief marketing, of course. Don't even need to read. Online marketing expert and data scientist. Kinda data scientist. Okay. Um, but he doesn't. I don't know. Doesn't seem the kind of person that will push this up. But I mean, who cares, right? Let's try. What if he picks up the phone? We never know. Okay, and he's the guy that moves for brand and growth marketing. You see, brand I already don't like. Okay, growth marketing manager. Growth marketing managers are good because they are all for organic. So if we start saying that our tool will increase organic traffic, they're gonna like that. And she's a SEM analyst, so she's good. Okay, so remember, a search engine marketing analyst. Okay, so she dealt with a lot of paid channels. Growth marketing manager. Okay, typically growth they handle organic SEO, search engine optimization. Okay, so okay, so she could be good. Okay, then pay associate manager of paid social. Mm, not really big on paid social, but you never know. Never know they understand. You never know. Don't really have too much faith on them, but who knows? Manager paid search at Ariad. Analytical, with experience in SEM, display, YouTube, and social media, different industry. Okay. So yeah, this guy definitely. Digital marketing extraordinaire. What is this? With skills ranging from SEO and SEM strategy all the way to email and social campaign implementation, brands strive to be an all-in-one digital marketing solution, a valuable asset to any brand. Looks crazy. I currently lead acquisition efforts for area across SEO, affiliate, referral, display, and content creation channels. Okay, yeah, the guy knows. Mm-hmm. Okay, who else? Shannon, growth and brand marketing manager, digital brand media. Uh, I will say no. This one. Okay, this one no. Okay, so here we have our potential guys on LinkedIn. All right, so now that you have this LinkedIn URL already, what you're gonna do is file. Where is it? Download Excel. Then you go to LeadFuze. Okay, here on account based. Okay, LinkedIn URL. You're gonna press this button right here. Is it add file? You click on it and you go to your downloads, and it should be the last document there. Boom. Okay, you click open, and because I already did so, this will populate. Okay, so now you start searching, and the result is at least you have these two. Okay, so Tuan, Chi, and Tera. This guy Duan, I whatever is not there in the list. So Tera and Juan. So you go here again, Tera and Juan out. Boop. You see, I put the name on the tab here, Ariat. Okay, just to make it pretty. Uh-huh. So on this one, I will research them for you and I'll add the information later on until we get a better extracting tool. Okay. So now you go these two, pang, pang, and you go add selected to list, and this is not list selected. Hey, aha. This is consumer goods. Boom. Add to list. See, this is why it has to be done before you download to to close. Okay, so you already downloaded. Okay, so now we're gonna analyze the companies here inside. Okay, inside close we have Mattel. We already know they are not a good company. Okay, to approach. So delete. Okay, so you know what? Before you delete, make a note on the